G'day YouTube, Max right here, and let's take a look at the Bitcoin Ethereum charts. The price has stalled for both Ethereum and Bitcoin, but the question we're trying to answer in this video, does that mean we're about to have a reversal? Is there more left in this? Let's go to the charts, check out the data. So as you can see here on the daily, Bitcoin kind of stalled out here, has actually, I'm just looking at it now, this candle is actually, I forget the name of it now, but this is actually a negative sign. This usually indicates a reversal. So there is a little bit of evidence to suggest that, but I think you'll find before the end of this video, there's more evidence to suggest that it's going to keep on going. Here is Ethereum. It doesn't look like it's stalled out here, but we'll show a smaller time frame chart in a little bit. Again, you see this big long wick to the downside. Let's check it out here. Let's cut across. We'll go, rather than the daily, we'll come back to the 2-hour chart here and check it out. And what we see on Ethereum is that it's still putting in higher lows, and it's just in the act now of making higher highs. The trend is your friend until the end, they say. Let's check out Bitcoin with the same mindset. The 2-hour chart, we have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. Bitcoin yet to make a higher high. So guys, the trend is still up. Until we get a lower low or a lower high, all the evidence is suggesting this is just a rest and we are still going forward. Let's check that out. Not to mention one of the most important indicators in the crypto universe that people love talking about, the little red squiggly line that I draw from time to time. That says we're going to go sideways and then head up. So really, really important indicators. Not really. Don't listen to the red squiggly line. It's a bad idea. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance, because this is a very interesting chart here too. This one does show a reversal. So we are down here forming lower lows than this previous low. This is on the 2-hour chart. Let's just take a quick look on the daily for what the Bitcoin dominance chart says. And I'm not sure about this candle. The Bitcoin dominance chart is prone to just weird glitches because there's just so many coins. You can see a weird glitch up here. That wick wasn't a real wick. It was just a weird glitch. And I don't know, is this wick legit? Is this candle legit, or was it just a glitch? I think it was just a glitch, so I'm not really counting this one. But even so, this candle does look like we're at a lower low than even these lows. So the Bitcoin dominance chart does appear to be maybe a trend reversal here. Something very, very close to watch. If so, this could signal the beginning of altcoin season, in which case, the plan would be to buy altcoins and leave Bitcoin by the side for the time being. If this matures and starts trending down here, this is something for us to watch, okay? I do want to take a look at Ripple. I think Ripple's in a really, really interesting point. Let's check it out. And I say Ripple, I really mean XRP. Thank you to everyone for that correction. I can hear people typing it in the comments as I speak. Sorry, when you've been around for as long as I have, Ripple's called Ripple. There's no XRP. All right, I want to get rid of all those green lines were just from a previous trade I had. So we've been in this trend line forever. It's we rocketed up with an absolutely legendary candle out of XRP with a 30% rise in a day. And look, I want to mention, we saw on the daily here, Ripple has a habit of going absolutely mental. But right now it's rocketed up. It did just overshoot this line a little bit, but it's within and you can look how long this wick is here, all the way back down to here and up to here. Listen, it's interacting with this trend line right now. It's too close to call. We don't know if it's going to win or lose. But let's go back in Ripple's history. In fact, we'll get there. I was thinking about going back. Just check out Ripple's history. I mean, look at when Ripple decides to go, when XRP decides to go, it goes mental. Look at this. Look at this rise here. Let's measure these. This rise, just here. So from here to here, what are we talking about? 900% in 20 days. 900% in 20 days. What is this bad boy over here? Here to here, we are talking 1,500% in 25 days. It's just crazy what XRP can do. It just, and it just has these long, drawn out winters. And then if you want to catch the gains, you got to be there in an instant, in an absolute instant. Let's check out this one. From here to here is 2 days, 900%. 2 days, 900%. 20 days, 900%. 20 days, 1400%. There's another one over here. May as well finish this off. This here to here, what's that bad boy? 180% over 4 days. Ripple can just be a monster. I don't know any other coin that does this like what Ripple does. It's just an absolute monster. Explosions and then these long drawn out downward patterns. Explosion, long drawn out pattern, explosion, and then this long drawn out one has been the longest drawn outiest of all of them. But right now, could this be, is this little candle here the same as this little candle here, or this little candle here, or this little candle here? So watch Ripple. If we just blow past up here and get up here, it could be legendary candles. Or we could, very possible bounce off this and come back on down. So I'm really looking at Ripple closely, hoping to get in on a pretty cool trade here. But back to Bitcoin, that's what we want to keep our eyes on here. It's interesting. It's where it's all at. It's going to drag the market around with us. And it's got the most exciting part because I really want those all-time highs for Bitcoin. We're going to have to wait and see. Let me kick back. Listen, we are just so close. If we have a run, if we break out of this little pattern we've got here, and let's go back to the 2 hour. If we break out of this little pattern that we've got here, we will be at 20,000 in the blink of an eye. And I want to just let you guys again know, keep an eye out on, when Bitcoin gets to 19,300, I think it'll just shoot straight past to the all-time highs and start interacting with it. I will be doing, I've got my alarm set on my phone. The moment Bitcoin hits 19,300, I'm going to be jumping on and doing a live Q&A with you guys. Hopefully it's an all-time high celebration party. But I will be here and I'll do hours of Q&A with you guys if you want. You can type live chat. We can do the whole interaction. So when, set your alarms for Bitcoin 19,300. You can do that with this software right here called TradingView. And the moment you see Bitcoin start to run, push past 19,000, 19,300, come and jump on YouTube. Go to my channel, which is youtube.com/Success Council, or just search for Contrarian Dude. We will be doing a live all-time high celebration party. Come and join the celebration, come and join the fun, and we'll get lots and lots of Q&As answered, so it's going to be super fun. All right, guys, I think that is all. Oh, no, it's not all. I've got a couple other things I'd like to share with you. One, we are so close, 19.8. The goal is 20,000 subscribers before Bitcoin hits $20,000. We are so close, but Bitcoin is catching fast, so help us out, like, subscribe, share this wherever you can. And I want to recommend a video for you guys. Check this out. This was a great video from a really cool channel I'm a subscriber of, Altcoin Daily. It's a great channel, highly recommend it. And his last video is there is a huge Bitcoin shortage. I highly recommend you watch it. Just a couple of the highlights here. The amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is down 18% this year. Now, when it's on exchanges, that usually means that we, it's there to be traded. When people are taking it off, they're putting it in their pockets, they're cold storage, they're just going to hold it, they're just going to ride the wave. So when people pull money off the exchange, it's a very, very bullish sign. Lots of other cool things on here. So 900 Bitcoins come into existence every single day. I think yesterday, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust by itself, it buys Bitcoins every single day. Yesterday, it bought 10,000 Bitcoins, right? It took up 10 days worth of supply of the new Bitcoin. Over the course of the last 7 days, it's taken up 20 days worth of Bitcoin. Just this one Bitcoin trust is just taking everything that is being created and many times more, which means if people want it, as this flood of people are coming into the Bitcoin space, the only place to get it is from me, you, and other people who are in Bitcoin. Are you ready to take profits? Are you going to miss out on this 2021 bull run? I think you're mad if you do. I think most people will not, and they are going to have to bid the price up like mad. So guys, I've been telling you for a full year to accumulate, buy the dips, look for good entry points. You cannot go wrong accumulating Bitcoin right now, in my opinion. Of course, it's not financial advice, do your own research. You can't go wrong accumulating Bitcoin for the long term, taking it now. Now, if you're a trader, that's a different story. You've got to look for entry points and look for whatever. Could we have a pullback here that might last for a few weeks and a few months? You might be in loss for a few weeks or a few months. Absolutely, that can happen. But over the course of months and years, forget about it. You are going to be crushing it as long as you're looking for opportunities to accumulate. And so I think the price of Bitcoin is going to go up much, much higher, as I've been preaching from the rooftops for a long, long time. This is the run up. This is nothing compared to what you're going to see next year. This is baby steps. It's an important place. We've been waiting for it to get to the all-time high, but we're here now. We're going to interact it with a little bit. We might bounce off it and come back. We might smash through it. Who knows what we're going to do? But a year from now, I just can't even wait. I can't even wait. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to share it all with you guys. I hope you guys are in on the movement. And yeah, so we'll see you soon, and look forward for that live all-time high celebration webcast that I'll be doing. I'll see you guys then.